I'm not supposed to go behind there. But if I take tiny steps and pause, they can't see me move closer. Chicken, stop. Stop what? Chicken, check. Beep. Safe to walk. Burberlingo lesson #1. Beak. Scritch me. Stop scritching. To be or not to be, that is the question, whether 'tis nobler in the mind to suffer the slings and arrow. Male parrots, hello, good bird, what you doing? Female parrots, stares in cockatiel. How to eat more vegetables, a guide for humans. 1. Get a bird, do not. 2. Eat junk food. 3. Bird eats what you eat. Bad. 4. No choice but to eat vegetables now. Good. How to care for your government surveillance drone, a guide. 1. Adjust antenna for best reception. 2. Place fuel in intake. 3. Do not commit tax fraud. I'm watching you. Trick or seed. Look, full-size millets. Blue boy. Must build nest. So they'll give you as much food as you want. Yos. But it's all health food. Yos. Hello, I'd like to place an order. Hey there friend, think you have the wrong number. Okay, 2 large seed please. And popcorn. Who's that? Dunno, but they sound peckish. Small mishap. No problem. I got this. Everything's fine. Hello, who you? Your new air purifier. I'm here to remove bad dust from the air. Say hi to my brand new filter. It's getting dark. Warning, some air purifiers emit ozone and are not bird safe. 3 days ago, oop, dropped my millet. Present day, foraging time, mum, floor crumbs. A gift from the gods. Heck, stop. Okay, just one more. Vegetal? Nope. Human dropped a salty snack. Taka taka. No. No! Does it look like a bird exploded in your home? That's how you know your bird is molting. Him falling apart. Mum. Butt leaf. Cromben brand. CBGBs. It good. Con bean. Here, have a seed. Leave the plant alone, this is your last warning. Time out. I have no remorse. I want to play a game. The rules are simple. You scratch my head. Make one wrong move, and you die. But, I'll also be moving my head around. Good luck. Big stretch. Boop. Anybody in there? Dial up noises. This is a life. My favorite snack. In my favorite spotter. Yes, hello, I'd like some eggs to sit on. Oh. I better rearrange the cage. Like it? Cancel those eggs. My house disappeared. Whatever you do, do not step in that. Huh? Step in what? I don't see anything. Hey, can I stand on you? Time left to decide. 1. Poke the fluff. 2. Leave alone. You are dead. Quit to main menu. Thank you, you have earned my trust. Be right back, I'm going to the bathroom. Where's human? Always wandering off, getting lost. Silly human. Come back, flock is over here. My plan for stealing the chips is risky. Cheats. Some of us may get timeouts. But the human can't stop a whole flock of us. Who's with me? Hey buyer. Yes, void? Build a nest in me. I must build a nest. How my birds tell me I'm scratching wrong. Not their PLS. Blam. I say we nuke the entire site from orbit to be sure. Hello human, I'm your feathery godmother. Poof. What is your wish? Bibbidi bobbidi beep. Can you stop pooping on my stuff? Oh dear. Feathery godmother, can't hear you. Such a shame. Goodbye. I can simply snap my fingers. And 50% of my food will be on the floor. Perfectly balanced. How can I help you, sir? Give my compliments to the chef. But sir, I haven't brought you your food yet. Sir, you can't eat that. Great big feel.